everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy and delicious chocolate mousse for Halloween. I really hope you like it. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start by melting the semi-sweet chocolate, and you can either do it in a double boiler on the stove or you can do it in the microwave. Whatever you decide will be fine. I'm going to do it in a double boiler and it will take about 4 minutes. So once the chocolate is melted, just set it aside to cool down a little bit. Now with an electric mixer, we're going to mix the heavy whipping cream with the powdered sugar, the instant coffee and the vanilla extract. We're going to mix this on high speed until you get a creamy and very thick mixture. It has to be super thick and fluffy and creamy, and it will take about 7 minutes on high speed. So while that is happening, now for decoration we're going to need some breadcrumbs. We're going to need about 2 cups of breadcrumbs. So here I have a small chocolate cake without icing. I'm going to shred it with my hands to get the breadcrumbs, and once you have all the breadcrumbs, just set them aside until you're ready to use them. So after 7 minutes, this is how the mixture of the heavy cream looks like. It's nice and thick and fluffy, so now it's ready. Now we're going to add in the melted chocolate, and we're just going to mix it until combined. Do not over mix it, just mix it until combined. And once it's ready, once the heavy whipping cream is well combined with the melted chocolate, now the mousse is ready. Now you can serve it, and I'm going to serve it on a pie pan. So here I have my pans, and I'm going to fill the pie pans with the mousse. Try to make it as even as you can. And then after that, after you have filled up the pie pans, now we're going to top them with the chocolate cake breadcrumbs. And you can add as much breadcrumbs as you want. And once you're done, now you can decorate the pies. And we're going to decorate them with the Halloween candy decorations. You can add as many decorations as you want. You can add as many candy as you want. I'm going to add some gummy worms. And I'm also going to be adding some gummy ghosts and gummy pumpkins and spiders and witches. I bought them all in Walmart. But like I said, you can decorate the pies any way that you want, with any kind of decoration that you want. And after you're done decorating them, now we're going to refrigerate them for at least 4 hours before serving them. If you have more time, you can refrigerate them for a longer time. You can even prepare it the day before and it's going to be even better. And after at least 4 hours, now you can cut it. It's nice and firm and you can serve it. And this is how it looks once you cut it. It's so delicious, I really recommend it. Enjoy. To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.